What Rypos is we're a company that helps our customers achieve their sustainability goals. We've been in business a little over 25 years. Our mission here at Rypos is to really partner with customers that are looking to have a positive impact on climate change. We help them accomplish that with our intelligent active filters. We reduce diesel emissions up to 95% for any of their engines. Largest market we serve is standby generation, but also transport refrigeration has been a long-standing market of ours, and also we're now growing into the marine space, which is an emerging market for us. So what we focus on here is the manufacturing of the core technology, which is the actual filter cartridges, as well as the controls. One of the things that really separates Rypos from our competition is, unlike the passive filters, we actually electrically regenerate our filters. And so, we are not dependent upon the heat from the engine or any other external heat source to regenerate ours. There's very little field intervention, user intervention that's required with our products. That being said, we got a highly dedicated customer service and field service team to support our products out in the field as well. We got a great team here that's really, rowing in the same direction, really focused on and proud to be part of the solution as it relates to emissions reduction, climate change. We are a team that challenges one another. As the business is growing rapidly, we're adding a lot of people, but we've got a long established culture, and we're bringing new folks into the mix as we go. As the world continues to move and migrate away from fossil fuels, we're fully in support of that, and we're proud of the part that we can play while we continue to utilize fossil fuels, that we can, again, dramatically reduce the emissions profile of these engines that are operating today and will continue to operate for probably the next 20 or 30 years. The best way for folks to reach us is at our website, rypos.com. We've got contact forms, contact information. So I would say the best way for anyone to learn more about our products and to reach out to us is through that website.